Assalamualaikum and good day everyone. I'm excited to present our invention called the motorized lace tool sharpening jigs with product ID number of TE11. This innovative tool is designed to simplify, standardize and improve the process of sharpening lace tool bits. This innovation was developed by three researchers. First, Mr. Muhammad Hazri Omar, the project leader from PTSS. Second, Mr. Muhammad Nazri Abdul Halim from PTSS. And third, Mr. Sufyan Yusof from Polymas. For your information, the motorized lace tool sharpening jig is a compact motor-assisted system that brings automation into what has traditionally been a manual process. With this device, users can sharpen various bits quickly, precisely, and safely. Manual sharpening often leads to inconsistencies in cutting edge angle and profile, especially for beginners. Our invention solves these issues by introducing automation, precision control, and enhanced safety features. By integrating motor assistant, we reduce human error and achieve consistent result every time. This jig can accommodate a wide range of tool geometries. Its adjustable components allow user to precisely replicate the desired cutting edge angle and clearance profile. In short, it provides greater accuracy, efficiency, and repeatability compared to traditional manual sharpening method. In machining operation, lace tool bits play a crucial role in achieving accurate cuts, smooth surface finish, and overall manufacturing efficiency. However, these tool bits are subject to frequent wear and damage due to prolonged use, leading to a reduced cutting performance, dimensional inaccuracies, and potential defect in the workpiece. Traditional sharpening methods are manual, time-consuming, and heavily reliant on operator skill. This often results in inconsistent tool geometry, improper cutting angle, increased tool wear, and decreased productivity. Additionally, manual sharpening poses safety risks due to close contact with rotating surfaces. There is a need for more precise, efficient, and safer method to sharpen lace tool bits, especially one that ensures repeatable results and is accessible to both professionals and beginners. Our project focused on four key objectives. First, to design and develop a motorized jig for sharpening lace tool bits with high precision and repeatability. Second, to ensure consistent tool geometry, including accurate relief and cutting angle for optimal cutting performance. Third, to enhance operator safety by minimizing direct contact with the abrasive surface during the sharpening process. Fourth, to create user-friendly system suitable for both professional and beginners in industrial and educational setting. As a solution, we propose 5 features for the jig. First, incorporation of adjustable angle guides. Second, secure clamping mechanism. Third, motorized grinding system. Fourth, safety-focused design. And lastly, user-friendly operation. This figure shows the complete setup motorized lace tool sharpening jigs along with its main component, each labeled for easy understanding. Let's move in detail for each component. First, bench grinder. Second, tool bit. Third, tool clamping device. This device securely holds the tool bit in place during the sharpening process. Fourth, rotating cylinder in X-axis and Y-axis. This component allows the adjustment and rotation of the tool bit along the X and Y axis, enabling accurate angle positioning. Fifth, slider in X-axis. The slider moves horizontally along the X-axis, enabling precise control of tool positioning relating to the grinding wheel. Sixth, self-lining ball bearing. Reduce friction and allows movement. 7. Lead screw. Convert the motor rotary motion into linear movement to find adjustment. And 8. Stepper motor. Drive the lead screw, providing control and repeatable positioning. By implementing this jig, in terms of uniform surfaces, hand grinding results in non-uniform surface that easily be observed in the left figure. With the jig, the faces are almost perfectly uniform. Then figures show that the jig are able to produce a consistent geometry of tool bit as compared by hand grinding process. Both tool bit on the right hand side are identical. Now let's take a look at a practical demonstration of using a sharpening jig to sharpen a tool bit. Notice that the stability and precision that the sharpening jig provide. As a conclusion, our invention offers three key benefits. First, it ensures consistent tool geometry. This leads to improved machining accuracy and extend the tool lifespan by reducing uneven wear, making the sharpening process more reliable and cost-effective. Second, it provides enhanced operator safety by minimizing direct contact with the rotating surfaces. The system significantly reduces the risk of accident and injuries during sharpening. Finally, the jig is highly user-friendly. It is valuable for technical education and training, and is adaptable for both industrial and educational environment, making it suitable for a wide range of users, from beginners to professionals. Overall, this invention combines a precision, safety, and usability, making it an effective solution for improving lathe tool sharpening process. That's all. Thank you for your attention.